Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's New Year's morning, about 10 o'clock, and we've had a couple of cold mornings. Got down to about 34 degrees this morning and also yesterday morning. And I just took the sheets off of the tomatoes, and it looks like I got lucky. There was supposed to be a good chance for frost this morning, so I made sure I had everything covered up. That also gave the kitties some place to go hide out. Yeah, there's Licorice down there. But they're all happy today. Most of my lettuce is already bolted. I keep saying that. So I do have something new to report. The strawberry tower over here. It's got strawberries on it. And the cold weather should sweeten them up a little bit too. I picked all the peppers off. Well, most of them. Didn't want them to freeze. Carrots are doing good. The Mr. Healy Asian cabbage is all bolting, but my green acre cabbage is not bolting, so that's a good thing too. Yep, there's Mamba. He has to come out and wander around the garden with me in the mornings whenever I come out. And Roma tomatoes are starting to bloom. These are supposed to be a determinate type tomato. So the fact that they're starting to bloom means that I might get some tomatoes pretty soon. That's the green acre cabbage. They're not forming heads, but they're not bolting either yet. More carrots down here. And lettuce, cabbage, kale, broccoli. Looks like something's been eating some of the broccoli again. I'm gonna have to figure out what kind of bugs are still making it in this colder weather. Oh, Napa cabbage. Things are not looking too bad. I think I've got a few potatoes in the house that are starting to sprout, so I'll probably be planting some potatoes in this bed pretty soon. And the other tomatoes, well, they look like they made it through the cold weather. I don't see any serious damage here. And these ones, the Praxis on this side, have them good and covered. And they seem to be looking okay. A little bit flat at the top where the sheets were hanging, pulling down on them. So yeah, looks like I dodged a bullet this time. It's supposed to be warming up again now for at least the next week. And then we'll see what happens with the rest of the winter, because hey, it's just barely into January. Speaking of which, I hope everybody had a safe and happy New Year. I stayed home and let all the crazies do their stuff. In fact, I didn't even make it to midnight. But looking pretty good. Let's go take a look at the seed tower out front, because I don't think that fared as well. Well, these ones don't look all that great. Pretty limp. I did have a sheet wrapped around this, but looks like they still got a little bit of damage. I'm gonna go get a jug of water and put in there, see if that helps them out. And now they've got nice bright sunlight shining on them, so that might do it. We shall see. Apparently they didn't have as much protection out here as I thought they did. I did move them up against the side of the house. But let's see if I can put some water on there and see if that does them any good. But anyway, I just figured I'd walk around and see what kind of damage I had. Because 2 nights at down to 34 degrees, that's cold around here. I know a lot of you would consider that not so bad, but this is Florida. We're used to bright sunshine and blue skies. But we'll see what they do. Hope you enjoyed the little walk around, and I'll see y'all next time.